How to generate consistent style matched images in Canva with Magic Media. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open a blank page in Canva and click on Design on the left side. After you click on Design on the left side, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on the image icon, which is Upload. After you've clicked on Upload, select the image you want to generate style matched. Describe your ideal design if you want to as well. Then press on Send. It will give you all the templates that are matched with the style you have sent. Select the one you prefer, and from there you can edit it as well. This is how to generate consistent style matched images in Canva with Magic Media. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.